Good morning, chat. Hope you're all doing awesome. Today, I realized, let me start over. Last night, realized that I need a better technique for reliably manually placing eyes on characters. And figured out how I'm going to do it. I'm going to create a marker on the texture, or maybe even in the model, and use that to determine where the eyes need to go on the sprite that results. I think that'll work really well. It'll be a little annoying, which it was going to be annoying anyway because I'm manually placing eyes, right? But with how good that final image has been looking, like, with how awesome this looks, I'm kind of okay with that. And I think basically what I want to do is take like this section here, right? And have that be my master eyes and eyebrows template. And just copy and paste parts of this with little tweaks onto every single frame of the sprite sheet. And probably just use that for all the sprites. All the humans, anyway. Because, honestly, it looks good. I'm happy with it. I think there's definitely a little bit of cleaning up to be done. It still seems weird to me that I can't change the brush size. Anyway. Curious, what is remove background in a... Oh. What? Huh. Remove background is adding a drop shadow. That's super weird, dude. Huh. Honestly, though, I don't hate what it's doing on the left side here. That may be something useful to use as a guide for cleaning up frames once I get to that stage. Anyway. But before I dive into all that, we got dailies to do, folks. One other thing it may be time to do is putting out our first ad. which will have been a long time coming. So I can't be doing a long stream today. I've got errands I have to run and places close at like 4. All right. Also, I did some pulls, and I got Shalonen's signature weapon, and I'm ready to do a damage test with it. See. What day is that open? Oh, right, it's Sunday. Everything's open. And I may burn some fragile resin today just to finish up Shalonen's build. Know what I mean, chat? Hold up. There we go. Okay. There we go. For whatever reason, my chat window was dying on me. So in theory, I should be getting close to an extra 10,000 damage on Nuvolette. Which should mean consistently hitting over 100,000. Like, without vapes, without anything. Should be hitting that. Since the damage boost does not scale with the weapon level. We will see how that works out. Apparently on this enemy, I'm not going to be able to see it because the enemy dies too fast. Oops. So just Kazuha. We're doing 50,000. That makes sense. Okay. Change her weapon real quick. Now, Kazuha and Shalonen. We're doing the half there. I think was 90,000. That's what I'm basically just not going to get to see. 100,000. Yep. So basically an extra 10,000, little over 10% added. That's great. Like, in terms of account value, you cannot beat Shalonen and her signature weapon. She's like, those both are buffs to all Pyro, Hydro, Electro, and Cryo characters. Which, those are your DPSs, right? There's a few exceptions out there, right? So, like, there's Wanderer. You got a few Dendro DPSs. But, and you've got some Geo DPSs, though they aren't really meta-defining anymore. I shouldn't even say they're not meta-defining. They're just not meta at all anymore. Like, not even close. And by having a support that covers 4 out of 7 of the elements, like, as the game develops, as we get more characters, excuse me, that Shalonen is just always going to be relevant, because you're always going to want that roughly doubling of damage you just saw, right? Like, when are you not going to want that? Oh, I forgot. I wasn't doing a true damage test when I did the Kazuha only. Oh, poop. I should do another test to see that damage. Alright, I need whatever these are. I need the blue ones. There you are. Ooh. I'm gonna have to go hunt for these, I think. Yup. Well, that's unfortunate. Wait a second. Let me go ahead and do that real quick. Boot it. That way I don't have to keep switching back and forth on teams. So if I want to try his damage, I think all I should have to do
Time to go.
Yeah, if I want to test damage without Shalonen's buff, I need to take her sword off. and just do one melee hit. And that shouldn't cause her buff to start. Okay, so that's 65. 65 is a more accurate number, because you're always going to want to do 2 different elemental reactions with Neuvillette because of his personal buff for himself. Like, that's just part of his kit, right? So now... And I'm not going to try and get super precise on the number because it's going to vary based on your exact build.
One with nature. Bring it.
That's weird.
There's a tear in my robe.
What happened there? The Hydra must have dissipated for some reason.
Let the mountain veins boil.
Okay, let's try that again. Because, like, I wasn't getting Neuvillette's hit buff. Okay, 81,000, roughly. A little over that. So... do 81, 65. That's about a 25% buff on top of Kazuha. Like, if she's your only, like, if you don't have Kazuha with her, she's gonna have a more significant increase just because, you know, diminishing returns, right? But an extra 25% damage on top of the Kazuha buff is nutty. But now, what do we get with her weapon? Here you are.
Bow your
$85. Well, that was much less significant. Huh. Alright, so that comes out to like a 5% difference. Which, a 5% addition on top of the others is still a lot, right? But it's not as much as I had calculated for from inside the domain. I don't know.
Wind strike.
Yeah, I don't know. Either way, I'm happy with how much damage we're doing now. And as I said, like, buff a support that significantly buffs 4 elements is just always going to be. And in general, I think she's a bit easier to use than Kazuha. Probably worth noting, these guys do have a lot of defense. So I may be not seeing perfectly accurate numbers. What? Get up. What? Huh. Something was fishy there. Try that again. Okay. Still, 87,000 hits against those guys that have ridiculous resistance. I'm happy with. And there are a lot of these guys.
Time to go.
Oh, are we done? Oh, that's that guy. Guess we're done. Hope that's enough. We will see. Delicious water. Oh yeah. Good amount there. Go ahead and craft up that. Oh. Sweet. Oh no. Oh no. Enhancement crystals. Okay, I need blue fangs and purple part of the secret source. All right. Oh dear. I'm running out of everything, chat. Not good. Oof. Okay. We got 80. No. Well, yes. That'll have to wait. Because I think I need probably 3 days of farming to get those materials. A lot. At least on the weapon ascension materials, I'm good. I got that handled. +3, so good for even the next weapon I want to raise. Got all that. These guys are not up for a while. 11 days, got plenty, like, nothing there. And I can't burn fragile resin to speed up building that anyway.
This realm is
What do you got for me, Tubby? Nice.
if you ever
Just about, what, another 2 months? And all of those guys will hit level 10.
The one before you.
And Chubby, what have you got for me? Nothing. All right. Where's my music? Oh, it's running. It's just real quiet. There we go. Don't need that. This dude. So, to do the marker idea, I think what I want to do is just make these black. Like no whites of the eyes, just solid black. Still no brush size for that. Weird. Like paint, you got one job, and that's to let me paint. You're not letting me do that. In theory, this should make it show up really well when downscaled. In theory. I'm almost getting Morpheus vibes off of it from the Matrix. Those who don't know what I'm talking about. Like with those weird little round sunglasses. It's basically the same. Okay. That's what I want. Now, over in Blender, reload that texture. 2 male, head 3 base color. Perfect. Now, if I move the camera 45 degrees, that's it. I've now got distinct eye placement that I can use to figure out where to put things. So, as a test, go ahead and render this. This will be more time consuming, but I should end up with a much better looking character. Right. Oh. If I take flag, don't need the full mouth. That'll do. And let's also take this side of the nose. Finally, let's do this 2x2 where the eye is. And we'll move the other eye over a bit, but take this one because it's just cleaner. See? Already way better. So much better. I think I do actually want it like this, though. Which... do this. Go back to the start. And... wait. Was the eye on the edge from the start? Okay, hold on. Okay, that's not actually what I want. Hold up. There we go. And do a single pixel of this color. that what I want? No. Do need to grab the eyebrow. And I think I should try to get the white of the eye. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah. Yeah, I should do that. That looks better. But there we go. That gives me a guide for how to do that. Oh, right. I'm missing the mouth. I think he looks pretty good. Yeah, I'm super happy with it. Cool. And let's go ahead and get the license stuff ready. New folder. Unreal Marketplace. Okay. Unreal Marketplace. Oh my goodness. Curious what this person said. You aren't required to pay royalties to the authors. You are free to use them in any of your projects so long as the content is not primary focus. You cannot resell the assets. Blah blah blah. And it's unfortunate that content usage article. Can I share products with my team? Yes. Sharing products outside of your team or organization is prohibited. Team and organization members cannot use products in limited fashion for their own outside projects. Plugin files can be shared, but licenses will need to be purchased by the user that will be plugin. I share Marketplace products with my project team. How can I use the products purchased from the market tab? Modify. I know the answer to that stuff. Can I just get the license agreement, please? I want to have a backup copy of it. Save files. content guidelines. On initial submission, approval, Epic will review products to ensure they function the latest major version of advertising. Use plugin dependencies, content on project, value false. Yeah, but that's for like content submission. Just in case, I'll keep a backup of it. Save as PDF. Purchasing usage rates. Epic content licensing. There we go. Favor, severability, third-party beneficiaries. Megascans, content addendum. The plugin. So you may distribute licensed content incorporated in object code format only as a separate part of a project. When you distribute a project to may permit and use, reproduce, display, and blah blah blah. That's the basic. People are allowed to play your game, and they can post videos of playing your game. Or we will allow you to allow them to do. How this is stated. To the extent necessary for end users to make permitted uses project. And 3, pursuant to an end user license agreement that explicitly claims any representations, warranties, conditions, and liabilities related to the licensed content. So what, I need an end user license agreement? Only to the extent that you are permitted to make such distributions yourself under this means. For example, you may distribute software applications with licensed content in our public directly by you or through a distributor. Okay. Save as PDF. Save it. And just to make sure, has this been updated in the past week? Well, I know it had the artificial intelligence stuff when I last checked it, and that's the last update mentioned here. I'm fine with that. You know what, just in case. Go whole hog here. Okay. As far as I know, Authors are not allowed to add license terms on their listings. Let's make sure. That's not what I typed. That's also not useful. Stylized crab. That's how I find this author. Yep. All right. Got all of that. Perfect. They're now protected. And let's go ahead for a backup. No, I'm just gonna back up the entire... Yeah, I'll just back up this entire solution in its current state, including all of my ignored files. I'll just put it in a 7-zip at some point. Yeah. And then I can throw that up on OneDrive and I'll feel safe. Alright. Wait a second. Good. Face. Face. Okay. Now, time to figure out why the animation isn't animating the way I need it to. See that functionality be an opt. That is way down here. Okay. Truck file path. Render. Here we go. For action in action. If not action.done, I'm selected. If data. Where is armature set? Your selection. Now the question is that an object or is that an armature? Then increment while that set up the frames list. Here's where we actually set the frame. Test it out. Where are you at, Blender? Oh. Okay. I don't want sculpting, I want scripting. There we go. First things first. Let's pick our armature. Already selected. Okay. So y.context.scene.dumdum properties dot where are you? Armature selection. It is the object. That's good. That's our first maybe problem. Then go through the action. Okay, have an action. Awesome. Now let's just test armature.animation data. Right. Animation data dot action. It is the action. Great. Now for frame, UI.context.scene.frame set. That's working. Okay, let's just do 2 frames. Patience done. We'll do just for sanity. Do 1 angle isometric. Maybe that was the problem. So it should be able to do. I'll test both. Setup, 0 rotation, 0. Save all that. Render, let's go. Okay. Got 2 of them. What? Okay. Oh, whoops. That's more like it. So you died on me. Why did you die on me? Oh, no, that's not what I want. What happened? Something bad happened. Save Sprite sheet. So first thing I'm noticing there's only one screenshot or one render. And it's the second one. What happened to the first one? That's weird, right? Okay. Where it's setting up the frames. Okay. Action in frame. Actually, was there anything new there? Nope. But if the first image isn't being produced, that would explain why things blow up later when we try to save the sprite sheet. Alright. CPY.data.actions. Frame 1 to 32. Action end frame. Okay. Frame start. Okay, we're getting one there. Fine. Frame end. If we have an in-frame set, use it. Otherwise, use what we calculated, which in this case is 31. Okay. The increment is 31 divided by the frame count is 2. APY.context.scene.dumdumproperties dot frame count 2. Okay. So I'm pretty sure this needs to be a 1, maybe. Pretty sure. But that's begging the question. Why would it have worked 4? Hold on, let's follow this through real quick. Okay. Are we rendering anywhere else? PPY ops render. Recognize that. No, we're not rendering anywhere else. If next frame equal to final thing in what? Okay, so we are going ahead and just placing the first one. Which explains why we're starting at 1 here. That's fine. One thing I could do is put a printout here. Next frame. Frame start plus the increment times I. So the first time we get in, set to 1. 1 is less than 2. That. Okay, so what this is doing is saying, hey, if the frame that we're about to add to the list has already been added to the end, skip it. Like, don't add duplicate frame, is basically what that step does. I think that makes sense. Frames.append next frame. Okay. What's wrong with that? Said print frames. Okay. Reload. Okay, so In theory, I should get a sprite sheet out of this. And I think I did. Yeah. But I'm only getting 1 frame. Just repeat it. Why is that? Why did that not print? This is 2. Print X. That printed. That's saved. Cycles. So it might be up here. Spreadsheet render started. 1 and 16. Cool. UI.context.scene. Ooh, fun. Is it just that that hadn't been set? Surely not. That wouldn't make any sense. Not working. That's working. Okay. Could it be the fact that it's deferred? So what I'm thinking is that because we're immediately rendering, it doesn't have time to drag all of the pieces into place. Let me test something. Next theory. They're both standing up. That might confirm my theory. Doesn't explain why second time around it messes up, but Well, now I'm really confused. Okay. Do this. More printing. Print. Set frame to print frame. Frame path. Render complete. Okay, hopefully this shows me something useful. Ready, please. Okay, set frame to 1. Saving that as root.png. Okay. Then it's not creating a new file path name. That would explain that. Well, it might be time for a new release of the Blender add-on. Because this is a big oversight. So it's all based on the file path that we have an issue. Stock frame path. Hold on. What? So we've got a temp folder path. Action name underscore. Hold on. What was that file path? Calling it root.png. That doesn't make a ton of sense. Test. See what happens. 245. I need to check my imports. Import re. Okay. That cpy.data.action 0.name. So, pretty sure I want to add that. $2.45. All right. Print temp folder path. And path. Okay. All that should be doing is adding on the action name. Oh, whoops. Not have enough of it. That's what I want to see. Okay. Well, at least I'm on track to figure out what's happening. It could be the fact that there's a none rotation. Okay, that took longer than expected. Oh. Huh. So it was literally just the dot that seems to have been breaking it. All right. Yeah, it's working now. Okay. So I think that's what I want to do with the rest of today is get a new release of the Blender add-on out there. Because there's enough stuff built up that needs to be fixed that I think it's worth spending some time on that. Also, how do I signify white space in regex? project should work as is, assuming that it is not. So I just do \s. Okay with that. Okay. If angle is not enough, blurkity blur. Hey there, Deep. How's it going, dude? Oh, okay. Don't need that print. No. Got it fixed. That print. Or that. Those. Let's see. It is wild to me that a single period in that string is what broke everything. It's probably something in the path lib that doesn't like having a period there. What's this? Is it for Blender? It is. This is my add-on that creates sprite sheets. And I am fixing problems with it, and I'm actually just going to do a new release of it. There's enough problems in it right now that I think it's worth getting a release out that has a bunch of bug fixes. For example, remove unnecessary descriptions, optimize by generation, investigate issue of screenshot not being created, error in file fonts flat. I think this might be this issue. Potentially fixed by... No, this is a separate issue. But I can test that. Hold on. Relaunch. Where'd my folder go? Didn't think I closed it. So if this is actually fixed, I should be able to render multiple times in a row and have no problem. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, I think we're in the clear. We are not in the clear. Okay. That one's fine. First time it worked. But that does mean I have a separate problem. Solve. Action frame not setting / render. That was the initial thing it looked like, but was actually an issue of file needed to script dot from action main. That we've resolved. Now we've got a separate issue. Those. Talk to me. SS image data dot flatten. Expected sequence size of 0. Got 414. So SS image is being built incorrectly. Okay. Let's take a gander. Save Sprite. SS. Okay. Hold on. SS image. Are we setting up SS image pixel? Not. SS image data is being set up correctly. I guess the question right now is this an issue with flatten, or is this an issue with for each set? Let's test it. Hopefully I can still get it to work with just a single frame. Just to keep things simple. Okay. Huzzah! It works with a single frame. Is this public on Git? No. This is very much private. You can get access to it through my Ko-fi. As with all Blender add-ons, the source code is available to you when you get access to it. The only thing that is exclusive to the membership is the download access. That is standard for Blender add-on terms. And that's like a requirement in Blender license gifts. If you're using BPY, that is the license that you have to distribute under. Okay. Talk to me. So flatten worked. The issue is the for each set. Little weird that the size is different. Oh no, that makes sense. It should be different because one sprite versus two. Why would it work the first time around? That doesn't make any sense. Plus, this doesn't cache anything as far as I know. Yeah, I don't even have any properties. I shouldn't call them properties. This is Python. What would it be called? I guess just global variables? I think that would be the term. So here's one thing I'm curious about. Print ssimage.pixel. Also worth noting, we are working on this now. Okay, Blender, let's talk. Don't save. You hear me? Didn't mean to do that. Alright. DPY float 0 image pixel. DPY float big number image pixels. Hey, hey, hey. All right. We found the discrepancy. Awesome. But now why? S. Oh. Hold on. There we go. I think I might have found it. dpy.data.images. output. Okay. That's it. I forget. How do I do an and? Guess that works. Okay, good. Good, good, good. Now, how do I delete? What? Okay, what do I have access to? To do pop. What? Hold on. Okay. What if I do this? Dot remove that. Expected an image, not a string. Okay, so I have to provide a reference to the object. That should be easy enough. So this has got data protection built into it. Okay. So what I want is if that and do something. If it exists, remove it. I think that should fix the problems. Let us see. Please close. Pretty please. Blender. Okay. Crashy time. That's fine. Blender likes to crash. We know this. Go ahead and bring that back down to 1. Render. And render. What? Now both of them aren't working. Right. That not found. Okay. cpy.data.images dot as get and huh? Type non-type object has no that. Okay, so let's test it. If that print hooray. Nothing happened. Why did nothing happen? Okay, let's try it a different way. Keys. Oh, whoops. Okay, keys dot. Uh-oh. Okay, Python list. Pains. There's shorthand pains function for this. Ah, it's just the in keyword. Okay. Test in that. Awesome. If that in that. Let's see if I even need the key. Good. So it does work like dictionaries and other stuff. Okay. If it's in images, move it. Add better. Please just work. That would be awesome. Okay, that's 9 and 10. Hey! Very cool. Um, how much of this do I want to commit to today? Let's get this stuff committed first. Place them. Yeah, allowing higher camera distance is a good idea. Bug fix. Errors in Sprite sheet saving. Move BTY save image of SS if it exists prior to application. Re-render in single session. Fix. Okay. Stage it. Ops. Move. Period. Period. And white space from action name for file type. Okay. Period prevented caused truncation in pathlet. Increased max cam distance for large models. And crazy animations. A 1,000's too much though. You know what? No, I'm not committing that one. I was doing that for part of some testing on a model, and I think once I got the model imported correctly, I have no longer needed to do that. That was like a one-off. So we're not committing that. Go ahead and discard that. That license came from one of the assets I was using, so we can ignore that. Actually, I should do... eat it. Oh, that's from the robot character. Probably save that somewhere. Yeah. Just as a sanity check. Hey there, Maxman Maxer. How's it going? Now let me get another copy of that robot. That was on Itch.io, I believe. Go robot. Pretty sure it's this one. Yeah. That's wrong. Here we go. That's what I wanted. I just like, yeah, there we go. Essence. Sprite sheet. To folder. No robot. But fix. Probably just do robots. That's detail. There we go. And we will put it all in the robot. Sure. Cool. Better. Let's see. What all is this going to complain about now? Yeah, I'll get that submitted as well. Page that. Created texture settings script. Helps with GUI imports, not for not for distribute. Okay. Awesome. You two are done. Okay. What other stuff do we want to try and do in the next release? Improve color palette limiting. That's a big deal. And I'm not sure I'm going to commit to that. But I think now might be a good time for a break. Checking on my streams. You guys are awful quiet today. Yeah, let's take a break. Come on. There we go. And is there any cleaning up I can do? Yes. A lot of cleaning up I can do. I love his derpy face here, but not the style I want. Good. Oh. I clean up one more thing. Save myself a little bit of real estate. Oh. Yes, I can. Alright guys, time to get all spooky-fied with Japanese ghosts. Actually, we had an open question from yesterday. Tango Gameworks. Japanese video game developer. Based in Tokyo. Well, that answers still needs works question from yesterday. I'll keep that there so I can remember in case they decide to show up today. You. Let's see. I can do about a half hour. So we're not going to get that release out today, I don't think, because I need to get out of here like by 3:30. Your stuff. Hello. Don't really want to do your quest right now. I just want to collect all this stuff in this park. Ooh, that's the Neko market.
渋谷のマスコット。
Oh, that's okay. Just some graffiti of a doggo. Don't remember you having a shop here. What do you got? Ah, hero. Ooh, I've got a ton of money for this. Nice. How many can I hold? You know what? Let's just buy all that. Now I don't have to be as worried and picking up spirits. Oh. Just a spirit vending machine. Here's something. Where is that indicating? Spirits. Here's something. That chime. Is it literally just indicating that thing? Like fortune? It is. Also, I should keep eating spirit food. It increases my max health just very slowly. Yeah, I don't have any money. Hello, sir. You gotta help me. I was playing a doll to rest at this shrine, but it ran off. Sure. I'll go get your doll. A little weird. But why not? Really wish I knew with certainty what the dinging meant. Like the bell sound when I use the detection. Where are you going, buddy? I feel like I hear something bad nearby. Oh, it's probably that thing that I'm hearing. Excuse me.
通の人形がなんで宙に浮くほどの力を持ったのかな。
さあな、殺人鬼の霊でも乗り移ったんだろう。
B 級映画の見過ぎだよ。
DVD はよく見てるがな。
サブスクじゃないんだ。
なんか言ったか。
That was a lot of money. Fine. That was way more. Oh. Visitor time. Yeah.
力が湧いてくる。
I forget. How do I switch? R1. There we go. I see a money cat. I need a detour to get that money. Doggo? Doggo! Hello, doggo.
はい、あげる。
She's so cutest. Found something interesting. Come check it out. Sure. Nice. Hello, spirit. Man, the Tengu are so noisy. Ooh, do not feel like fighting all of those right now. Get back to that mission objective. Hello. Now, the most awkward dialing. Hello. That's less than 5%. What's weird though in this game is you can get over 100%. Like, I know why they do it. It's so that you don't feel the need to like over explore. Okay, before we go up, I want that money cat. There you are. Nice. And got a spirit. Any more spirits? That one. Carrots. Whenever we start getting yokai missions, definitely should just focus on Magatama for a while. I don't know, you don't see anyone. Uh-uh. No one here. Hard. Fine. One down. And done. Very nice.
人形があいつらを呼んでやがるのか。追うぞ。
Spirits on the roof. Hello, Ghosty Goo.
いたぞ。
Oh,
今のは
見ろ。あの藁人形には呪。
あれをお払いす
Straw Doll is definitely cursed. Hooray! Thank you so much. I was using that straw doll to curse my brother. Okay, save the spirit.
神社の霊に
Speak to the woman and the doll. Got
の
it.
ことを教えてあげなきゃ。
人形のせいで死んだと勘違いしてたからな。
本当は守ってくれてたのに。
Yeah, should definitely consider upgrading detection range at some point. Nice. I think let's just explore the rooftops a little bit. There's a lot of spirits up here. Carrots. Okay, we're in the clear.
から狙えそう。
Bye bye. I love that. Oh, I remember you. Woohoo, buddy. That's a bit much. I think it was over this way. Oh, there's money. Like that. The money cat. Spirits. A lot of roof spirits, but first things first. Got those over there. Honestly, I should probably push the story along. If only so I can unlock a bunch of exploration stuff. This way first. There we go. And done. But that is fog, so I can't go over there anyway. Oh well. Please don't. Thank you. Dude, the glide is so nice. Ah. No. Okay. Can't carry any more spirit chips. Shenanigans. Let's take some damage on purpose just to start eating more spirit food. Because I want to get my max health upgraded quite a bit. Woohoo! And since I can only hold so much... Come on. Plus, regular food heals just as much. The only difference is the spirit food gives me extra health. Is that a spirit melon or a regular melon? That is regular. Hold on. Ah. Thank you. So a bunch of Magatama I can get, which is great. Spectral food. Okay, so I am still eating spectral food. Dude, max health is already up a lot. Oh, did not mean to dodge that. Hit me! Ghosty one more time. Come on, you can do it. Good. Nope, still got more spectral food. Wait, am I at max? Oh no, it's still going up. Eat faster. Almost there. Come on. Oh. Forgot they can do that. Whoops. It's fine. That's a ton of extra health. Okay, where are we trying to get to? There we go. Hello, sir. Do you have a Magatama for me? There's Doll. So much. Let's friend the creepy thing. Turns out your sister's spirit was inside that doll. Someone was using a straw doll to curse you. Your sister had been protecting you from its influence the whole time.
そうじゃ私が事故に遭った。
お前が守り神を手放したから。
まさかこの人形の中にね、ずっとそれを私が。
あ
Sweet.
上出来だ。
Good. Think 750. All right. Ah, there we go. So that just stays on the map forever, I guess. I want Magatamas. There we go. That's the one I want. Grab that and then get back to work. Oh, oh.
おい、霊が連れて行かれるぞ。
助けなきゃ。
Ow. Son of a gun. Oh, not good, not good. Gotta get them not attacking those things. Ah! No, no, no. Hello, you. Good. Oh.
救うのも楽じゃねえな。
Now we're good. I need ammo so bad. All right. Much better. Got some sort of yokai over here.
渋谷なのに寂れてるな。
So, are you making this game? No, no. I'm taking a break from what I'm working on.
古い傘なんかの道具は
Old umbrellas. Their tools can turn into yokai. So, let's go hunt a yokai.
いた。カラカサ小僧だ。
チャンスが来るまであまり近づくなよ。気づく
There.
逃げられる。
I want to upgrade to faster sneak right now, just for this mission. Ethereal equipment. Where are you? There we go.
今、しゃがんで近づけ。
Hello, yokai. And done.
元の傘に戻ったな。あの子に返してやろう。
Arakasa. And money. Love that. Hello, little girl? Yes.
きっとよろ
Enjoy your umbrella. I believe that opens up the ability to hunt that style yokai. Think? Maybe. Anywho. Yeah, this place gets really big eventually. Such a good game. And without really having much in the way of NPCs. Like, as far as interacting with characters that don't want to kill you, there's very, very little. What? 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 That? Why are you trying to scare me, game? There's nothing here that can hurt me. You're just putting random spooky projections on trucks now. Alright. You do you, game. You do you. But now back to work. Do-do-do-do. Next task. Would not be a bad idea to figure out why there's a crash happening. But I honestly have no idea how I'm going to try and resolve that. Like, how do I even dig in to investigate that? I will try. Definitely try. So the main thing that makes it explode seems to... Up here and set up our outline. Let me get this open just in case it can help. Okay, that's... clearly not causing a problem. Okay, so steps to reproduce. My current test, enable it. Go to compositing. Okay, so it's not doing anything. So enable, initialize. Disable. Initialize. Don't save. Okay. Try something else. Positing. Enable freestyle. Default freestyle. Initialize. Draw outline. Actually, hold on. Don't save. I want to have a new initial state on load. I want that, first of all. Initial up. Uncheck. Did I come up with steps to reproduce? Nope, I did not. Crashes. Toggling. I know this happened. I have absolutely no idea how to make it happen. Outline there. Dude. What on earth? Okay, let's do something like that. Draw out. Pixelize more. Don't save. Okay, unchecking that does absolutely nothing. Initialize, draw. Yeah, I've got nothing happening that cause any issues. Boop, boop, boop. That. Initialize, default freestyle. I don't get it. What did I do? This is one of those bugs that just decides to go away. Okay. Don't save. I will create delete. Because at the very least I can do this task. Update outline and get nested, selection of cursive, default lights. Wait, that's not it? What? Oh, it's gotta be settings funks. Okay. Init compositing, there we go. Outline hue. Where is the outline thickness? There we go. Now, Blender, socket, min, max. Right. Oh. Python. There we go. How do you set the step and soft limits float input shader? Might not have been able to set increment. Min, max, soft min, soft max. Okay. DPY to adds a new socket. O tree interface socket. Nice. Okay, so the thing it returns inherited property, inherited function. Okay, base class. No tree interface item might have what I'm looking for. Does not. Base class is just quest struct. It also doesn't have what I'm looking for. That's gonna be a pain. Dude, the documentation is awful on Blender. Version am I looking at? Well, looking at 4.2. This is up to date. Now, test equals Um. Socket. Socket. Okay. So code cpy.type.node tree interface socket. And put a float. Like this single argument. Yes. Is not a subtype of the Spark. I don't agree. Don't think. Hold up. See the very top of this. Top tree is scene.nodetree. Test to py.context.scene.nodetree. Wait. Got the node tree. Why don't I get .node? Maybe I need to go through a different way. py.data.themes .node tree. .node. Okay, so it does have to go from that side. Top tree is just no tree. For node group, cpy.date.node. Try that. cpy.data.node groups. 2 inputs and input. Oh. Dot what? Items, maybe? Could be items. Not subscriptable. That seems wrong. So we create the inputs group. Great. Input group. From there we do dot interface. Interface. Nice. Dot inputs. Sockets. What else we got? Clear copy get item new socket. Hold on. What do I do with the pix in after that? That's literally it. So how do I see? How do I access that after it's been created? Because it's gotta exist, right? Interface dot item method to return. Okay. Item tree. That. What's here? Hey, hey, hey. That looks like something. So what if I do? Has no attribute type. Nice. Min value. Not mine value, min value. Oh ho ho! Okay. Min value, max value. Nice. No tree interface socket float data type. Hey, hey, hey. Max value, min value. You can't set an increment. Well, that explains why I didn't do it before. That unfortunately explains why I didn't do it before. Floating point number socket up. Yeah. Yep. And nope. Nope, 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 nope. What other types could I have here? That's a question. Okay, we got socket float, which didn't work for me. Socket float distance. Socket float factor. Time. Float unsigned. Don't want an integer. Maybe I could do an integer. But I want to say there was a reason integer doesn't work. I'll consider trying integer as a last resort. Okay, float distance works exactly like a float. And it's got nothing else. Inherited properties. Nothing. Floating point number socket of a node. That's the same thing. Yeah. Float unsigned. Same thing, just without a sign. Okay. So, my only real choice is in. Alright, let's see if I can do something with that. Socket type. Code socket int. So let's just see what happened. First off. Oh, that's right, we get a data conflict. I'm pretty sure that's what happened. Hold on. I'll try it, but I'm 90% sure that was the... Type error at line 79. Type error. Error with keyword argument socket pipe code socket int. Not found in path. So I'm not allowed to use integers? Seems odd. Just look that up. Type error. I'm just curious what the internet has to say about that. Node socket int and typable not in node tree interface. But they're saying it's fixed in 4.1. What version of Blender am I on? On 4.1.1. Okay. Is there a way to see what releases this is in? That would be really nice. Okay, I got a PR. This is contained in Blender V41 release. Allegedly. What is the 4.1 release version? That's not it. Why are these not in order? Oh, they're in order of creation. That's weird. Why are the 3 3s and 3 6s getting updated? Okay, hold on. Okay, let's see if it's actually in there, right? That's the commit I want. What does the X mean? Oh, that's just some checks failed. So it's allegedly in here. I want node shader tree. .c. Not quite what I expected. And dude, figuring out what version of the code is where is just absolutely nonsense in GitHub sometimes. definitely there. Check this. Easiest way to find out what kingdoms you can pass for start type is to pass the wrong one and read the error message. What I get in the error show me just these ones. I'm in the same boat. I think the issue may be that I'm getting a clash of version. Add and remove. Show me Blender. App, so that info will be uninstalled. Thank you. I'm wondering if I'm getting some 402 behavior. I don't know why that would be the case, but this should make sure there's no funny business happening. Let's see, when does that place close? Because I might have to end stream, like, very, very soon. I can go a bit longer. They're not going to close, like, in the next half hour. So I don't need to rush. But I can't, like, do a 7-hour stream like I did yesterday. Alright. Okay. Now, should be no way that doesn't work, right? BPY. Data dot scenes 0 dot node 3 dot nodes oh wait, it's something like node group, right? Or how did I get node group before? Something like node groups. There we go. Base. Dot. It doesn't like that. Item. Keys. Hey. That's not actually what I want, is it? Hold on. Inputs group tree is just the node group. .interface.new socket. Socket name vector 2 input. Still doesn't work. Okay. I think what I'm gonna do is just do a clean install of the latest version of Blender. And we're just gonna do a version upgrade. Don't save. Goodbye, Blender. And just in case I need to reinstall it, we are on 4.1.1 right now. See what happens. While that's doing that, I can go ahead and download the latest Blender version. Sure. Oh, nope, nope. Download. Four, 2, 3. All right. Okay, no news on the Discord. Done. Yeah, we're done. Download. Oh, you are not done. Whoa, why are you taking this? Why are you downloading it less than 200 bytes per? Steam, are you trying to download the internet? No. That's wild. Well, we're not finishing that today. Huh. Hold on. Internet speed test. Just in case it decides to, like, dox me. Hold on a second. Well, it's not me. That's the problem. My upload might not be great. but there's no reason I should be downloading that slow. That tells me that Blender's hosting is bad. Alright. Let's do a couple yokai hunts on Ghostwire Tokyo, and maybe by some miracle it'll be done in the next like 20 minutes and we can get a little more work done. Maybe. But I think in about 30 minutes is where I'm gonna have to call it. That's what I'm thinking. I could see about putting voice syncing on Dum Dum. Okay, in a couple missions, if the download is not done, we will take a look at Dum Dum. Wait, it actually saved me on top of the van. That's interesting. Most games don't let you do that. Specific of a save location. Let's go. Oh, I see money. And luckily there's a shop right here. What do you got for me, buddy? Oh, there's spirits over there too. Completely missed those. How many of these am I allowed to own? A lot, apparently. You know what? Let's just go crazy on the seals. That's the word I wanted. Crits? There you are. Oh, I've been here. I've been here a lot. Wonder how I missed that spirit so many times. Hello, spirit. Reach you that way. There we go. Gotcha. Oh, nothing else here. Hello, sir. Years ago, I took on a repair job for this place. At the time, the fourth floor had one less room than all the others. I tried to ask the owner what was up, but I couldn't get a hold of him. What I heard later, he just disappeared, vanished without a trace. Creepy stuff if you ask me. Voice in the wall. Check out the 4th floor of the hotel. Alright. We can do that. Hello? We'll just do a quick purge on you. Grab someone's lunch. Always nice. Okay. So, an extra floor just magically appeared. Let's check it out. Oh, you are not a Narukabe. Narukabe? You are, though. Nurikabe, that's how you say it. Goodbye, Nurikabe. Just need, what, 4 more Magatama? Sounds about right. Speak. Okay. Quick and easy Magatama. Love it. And I keep forgetting, while playing this, really helps to be able to hear the game. Yokai was hiding in a room. Huzzah! Where can I get another Magatama? Out there. Oh. Oh. I guess it is time to go purge a Torii Gate. Cleanse a Torii Gate. Never did figure out what that chime was trying to indicate, other than maybe that quest. Yeah, once I start completing quests, I'll have to come back and really take a look. Oh, spirits. They're coming with me.
ちに気づいてない。やれそうだ。
Hello. Oh, there's a few of you. One down. Okay. Core is exposed. Your core is exposed. And pop.
なんとかなったか。
Nice.
Power を使え。見えないものをあぶり出すんだ。
工事現場か。
何か
Nice, nice, nice.
調べるぞ。
Well, this looks not safe. I wonder if something will attack me when I go down there. Well, go. Spectral Dongo. Love it. Yep, yep, called it. Whoa, okay. Can you not? Rude. I was just like minding my own business. Woohoo! Woo! No! No, 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 no. Expose core. Oh no! Please expose core. Oh, oh, never mind. I don't want to waste my ammo. Please stop casting. How do I stop the... Okay. Okay. This place has been cleansed. And... Ooh. Nice. I have water magic. Water weaving is crazy good in a pinch. Because of this. Oh. When upgraded, that does so much damage. Did I miss anything? Nope. Also, funnily enough, water charge attacks absolutely wreck umbrellas. doesn't really make sense, but what you gonna do? No, why are there so over there? See if I quick purge this one. Yeah, let's try it. Oh, did not work. Also, it does great at getting through their nonsense. Let's... Okay. We're back in the game, guys. And she's done. There was a second spirit here. Where were you? Spirits. Oh. Guess that was the only one. Let's see, how's that download doing? Network error. These? I'll have to figure that out. Clearly something's wrong. Hooray! Spectral chips. And I should deposit these soon. Sure. Go. Whoa. Defeat 50 by pulling their core. Nice. Ooh, that's a very efficient way to take them down now.
悪くない。
偉そうに。
Once I grab the few spirits around here, I'll turn them in, and I think that'll be it for today. Spirits. Bye-bye, buddy. Ooh. Hello. Increased water capacity is always nice. What do you got for me? 12,000 experience. Nice. Level up. Yeah. Magatama. Nice. Aims to fire 2 shots at a time with water weaving. Increases the width of charged water weaving. Oh yeah, and like this upgrade just massive area. I'm gonna have to get that at some point. After firing a shot with ethereal weaving, immediately hold our right trigger to instantly charge your next attack. That is probably useful, but not what I want right now. Increase explosion radius. To fire 2 shots. Enables you to fire 3 shots at a time with water weaving. Question is, does it actually cost double ammo? Because if it does, that's not nearly as good as it sounds. Fire rate. Probably should get that at some point. I think more food would be nice, but not strictly necessary right now. Glide. Yeah, we're saving for this. Still need 15 more skill points for it, but yeah, that's the next one. After performing an aerial quick purge, you'll have a chance to chain the attack onto enemies within a certain range. During the slow motion after the aerial quick purge, aim toward an enemy and A. Huh. Never figured out how to consistently pull that off. Ground pound, don't care. Dodge. Perfect block. Counter attack. Or grab. Exposure duration. Those are really nice. But those are sort of quality of life, not necessarily strictly a combat improvement. Whereas like the core grab speed, that can significantly improve combat for you. Melee core grab, those are fast. Round attack boost, don't care. Round core grab. That's a significant upgrade. Yeah, basically I want everything. I'll just put it simply. I want it all. And I want it now. Alright. That is good enough on there. And the art style just does not pull through in the menu here. Okay. I'm gonna have to figure out what's going on with that. Because without Blender, we're kind of sunk. Alright. I will figure that out. Let's take a quick look-see here. Setting. How do I enable audio? Tracking settings. Play lighting, virtual webcam. No. See? No. Microphone. Use microphone. Is this gonna steal from OBS, I wonder? Hmm. Let's see. Is OBS still grabbing me? Yes, OBS is still grabbing. Um, see. Preview microphone audio. Let's see how that looks. Hello? Don't. Maybe it's a little bit improved. Maybe. I do a little bit of very simple lips. Voice volume, voice frequency. I don't know what all of. Oh, that's the different vowels, isn't it? I think it need more. Okay. That's too much gain. I need to get it so that the peaks are right around 90, which that honestly seems about right. Test. Test. Okay. That's definitely as loud as I go. Maybe a little louder if I'm like on the occasions where I just lose it. I really wish there were a way to like affect the ramping effect of the mouth opening. Hmm. his mouth open. Okay. Maybe 0.35 would work better. Let's see. How does that work? Yeah, I guess it's working a little better. It's not really syncing to what I'm saying though. How would I get it to do that? Microphone setting. Microphone volume gain. What is... Don't know what that means. Does this make a change? Maybe. Does this make a change? Not really. All right. About that. Okay, so nothing's happening if I do that. I think I just want this as low as possible. Yeah, I think that works. I can't really tell if it's improving it at all. Like it feels like it's the same to me. You guys let me know. But feels like nothing's changed. Yeah, Blender is deciding not to download. I'm assuming it has something to do with the fact that I have the stream going right now. So I'm going to end it there so I can get Blender reinstalled for tomorrow. Plus, I got my errands to run. Got to do all that fun stuff. Let's add update to Blender 4.2.3. And that means running through the whole add-on again and making sure everything still works. We will be doing that tomorrow. And assuming all that works, I think it will be time to do the formal render of the character and get the player character created in Engine. And maybe start purchasing assets to generate new ones. Could be cool. I think we might be ready. At least very, very close to ready for that. Don't love the fact that it means I'm shelling out hundreds of bucks for models, but it's still a fraction of the price it would cost to hire on a full-time artist, right? So it's a win. All that said, gonna call it here, folks. So, thank you for joining. I hope you had fun, and I hope you learned something. If you did, consider checking out my Ko-fi and supporting the channel, link in the description. But above all, I hope y'all have a fantastic day. Take care, everyone.